guys, I'm Julie from Indigo Boutique and Botanica, and I'm going to be talking to you today about another one of our crystal kits. We put several kits together based on themes we were seeing of guests who would come into the shop and look for crystals for specific life events or things they were going through. So today I'm going to talk to you about the Pocketful of Sunshine. This kit contains amber, citrine, pyrite, and Lemurian quartz. Let's take a look first at amber. Amber can be yellow, a little more towards brown, can be clear or a little bit cloudy, so lots of variation there. It is a powerful healer, cleanser, and can help clear depression, promote self-confidence, and it's very uplifting, brings joy, happiness, and energy. Next we have citrine. Citrine is called the joy bringer. It can help increase optimism, is a gemstone that promotes happiness, hence the name of the kit. If you're feeling down, it's a really good stone to use for meditation and can help dispel anger and helplessness. All right, this kit contains pyrite. Pyrite is a strong protection stone that can help shield you from negative energy. It can also help to clear out toxic thought patterns. And last we have Lemurian quartz. Lemurian quartz is a really high vibration stone that can help provide balance and clarity. We added this stone into the kit to boost the properties of the other stones. All right guys, thanks for watching. That was our Pocketful of Sunshine. If there's any stones that you think would be a great addition to that kit or any other ideas that you have for videos, please put that in the comments and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thanks guys.